How can a dining table transform your life? With its substantial sintered stone top, it offers not just a robust texture, but embodies the essence of premium living. Featuring an innovative dual-layer design, the stone is backed with the warmth of natural wood veneer. It resists water stains and wipes clean easily, making maintenance truly effortless. Brushed edging adds a touch of industrial flair to this stone surface. The widened base ensures stability, while the legs have undergone a rigorous 124-hour salt spray test. With minimalist assembly, it comes together effortlessly, right at home. 2 stylish options available. The ideal choice to elevate your space's aesthetic.